Welcome to Jen's Day Home. So, off muna ang inyong lingkod today as we are celebrating my Unica Iha's 9th birthday, Scarlett. So, today she just turned 9 years old. So, we celebrate her birthday sa San Juan. So, if you are here in Calgary, along MacLeod lang yan. And highly recommended this place kasi bukod sa napakagandang ambience sa loob, ang ganda ng serving nila at saka ang sarap ng food. So, if you want to eat Korean barbecue, unlimited, dito yan sa San Juan. So, you can just try. And yan, nag-enjoy yung mga anak ko and me and also me and Daddy Mark, we ate lots of meat. Kasi more on meat sila dyan, guys. So, yung mga kids, hindi sila masyado but they did try. So, ayan, pag malalaki na pala yung mga anak mo, they have their own decision. They can, hindi mo na sila maloko na dyan lang sa McDonald's mo dadalhin. They want their own decision. So, yan lang, nag-enjoy si Scarlett. We did celebrate. Ayan si Gideon, pwede pa naming maloko kahit papano. And yan kaming dalawa ni Daddy Mark. Of course, nag-enjoy kami. Kasi more on meat siya, guys. Pero ang sarap ng food nila dyan, promise. So you have to try. And after blowing her cake, yan, nag-open na kami ng gift. Meron kaming simple gift for her na she already requested. And gusto ko kasi pag nagre-regalo ko sa mga anak ko, gusto ko they decide what they want. Ayoko yung ako yung bibili kasi mahirap naman mag-guess kung ano yung gusto nila. Yan yung ni-request niya, yung light projector astronaut para sa kanyang room. So, that's for pag during nighttime, ipi-play niya yan para hindi siya matakot sa room niya. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching my vlog and God bless everyone. See you till our next vlog. God bless.